On the warm summer evening of July 17th, 1996, TWA Flight 800 prepared for departure from New York's JFK Airport. The massive Boeing 747 was headed to Paris, carrying 230 passengers and crew. Families, students, business travelers, and vacationers all boarded the aircraft, expecting nothing more than an overnight journey across the Atlantic. At 8:19 p.m., the jet lifted off into the twilight sky. For the first 12 minutes, everything appeared perfectly normal. The jumbo jet climbed steadily over the Atlantic Ocean, its passengers settling into their seats, chatting, reading, or watching the fading lights of Long Island below. Then, without warning, tragedy struck. At 8:31 p.m., just 12 minutes after takeoff, a powerful explosion ripped through the center of the aircraft. In seconds, the plane broke apart in midair. Fireballs lit up the night sky, and debris rained down into the Atlantic Ocean. All 230 people on board were killed instantly. The disaster stunned the United States and the world. Witnesses on the ground reported seeing a flash of light streaking upward, leading many to believe the plane had been struck by a missile. Conspiracy theories spread rapidly, and for years, the truth of what happened to TWA Flight 800 remained clouded in mystery. Investigators launched one of the most extensive aviation inquiries in history. Over the next 4 years, thousands of pieces of wreckage were painstakingly recovered from the ocean floor and reassembled in a hangar. Every wire, every panel, every broken piece was examined. The final report revealed a shocking conclusion. The center fuel tank of the Boeing 747 had exploded. An electrical short circuit ignited fuel vapors inside the nearly empty tank, causing a catastrophic blast that tore the plane apart. It was not terrorism. It was not a missile. It was a tragic accident, the result of aging wiring and flammable fuel vapors. The crash of TWA Flight 800 led to major changes in aviation safety. New rules required fuel tanks to be made safer, wiring systems to be better protected, and aircraft maintenance to be stricter than ever before. The lessons learned from this tragedy continue to shape the way airplanes are built and operated today. TWA Flight 800 remains one of the most devastating accidents in American aviation history. The loss of 230 lives was a heartbreaking reminder that even the most advanced machines can be vulnerable. But from this tragedy came changes that have saved countless lives since, ensuring that such a disaster will never happen again.